Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove power card from Dave and Buster's app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your browser, and on the search bar simply type in daveandbusters.com. And once you're there, you'll be seeing this kind of homepage. Now all you gotta do is just simply log into your account. Now once you have logged into your account, here what you need to do is just simply scroll down to the page, and on the bottom of the page you'll be seeing these options like careers, corporate social responsibility, FAQs, house policies, franchising, real estate, investor relations, and at the end you'll be seeing your option that says check balance, right? Simply tap on that, and once you tap on check balance, here you'll be asked you to enter in your card number and then enter in your pin. And once you have entered your card number and your pin, click on submit. And once you do that, there you'll be seeing your power card. Now in order to delete your power card, what you need to do is just simply select the power card, and then what you need to do is just tap on the three dot option or the drop down option, and there you'll be seeing an option to remove your power card. Now in order to remove it, what you need to do is go through a bunch of process, and once you have completed the process, you'll be successfully removing your power card from Dave's and Buster's app. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.